And good morning to you. It is a busy morning in the tropics and on the radar. Those rain bands from Hurricane Sally as it moves closer to the Gulf Coast still impacting the Lee Islands, especially here this morning, an area where they have received over a foot of rainfall since Sally moved over South Florida. And this morning, just some light stuff coming down on Sanibel and Captiva. The heaviest rain has been a little bit farther to the north around Bokeelia and the southern areas of Cape Hayes. This is the latest radar scan, and you can see some light to moderate rain showers from Matlacha all the way over into the Cape here along Pine Island Road. Now, as far as what it looks like over the last hour, losing its intensity a little bit as it marches inland and up to the north along the Peace River, Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte, also picking up on a little wet weather. When you step outside this morning, it's a little warmer than yesterday in the upper 70s. It's very humid outside, and it's all due to the deep tropical moisture that's moving in around Hurricane Sally. I'm going to play this forecast loop out for the next 48 hours. Watch how Sally takes its time creeping along the Gulf Coast before finally moving into Alabama and Georgia as we go through later on in the week. This is midnight Wednesday. Flooding is going to be a huge concern there along the Gulf Coast. Now, as far as the latest information, the 5 o'clock advisory has winds of 85, gusting to 105, and that movement west-northwest at 2 miles per hour. The heavy rain already into Mobile Bay south of I-10, and all day long the rain bands are going to pick up in frequency and intensity there along the Gulf Coast. New Orleans and the southeastern parishes here, Louisiana, are on the drier side of the storm, and they're breathing a little sigh of relief as it looks like the worst of this will be into the coastal regions of Mississippi and Alabama, especially Mobile Bay, where they'll see the highest storm surge. But again, you can see the timeline. This is tomorrow morning when we're on air here in Fox 4, tomorrow afternoon, and then into Thursday. So the flooding, again, is going to be an extreme event there along the Gulf Coast. Very busy in the tropics. Yesterday, we had 5 named storms in the Atlantic at one point. The remnants of Renee are right there, and you can see Sally, Paulette, Teddy, and Vicky. Vicky formed yesterday rather quickly after Teddy was upgraded in the morning. We'll show you all 4 current forecast tracks because Sally is the only one impacting the U.S. Over the next couple of days, Teddy's forecast to become a major hurricane, and it looks like Vicky will be a very short-lived storm. And then off to the north, Paulette kind of hangs on here for a while. National Hurricane Center is also watching 3 other areas for development. A low chance in the southwestern parts of the Gulf, one coming off the coast of Africa, another one way up by Europe. We'll start here with this one. This is likely to become the next tropical depression or storm, the W storm, and then this one is way up by Portugal. It has a low chance of developing in the next couple of days. The last name on our list is Wilfred. How's your Greek? Because then we go into alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and then so on, as zeta was used back in 2005. And the way we're going right now with about a half of the month of September and October left, we're going to crank through that Greek alphabet pretty quickly. Over the next few days, showers and thunderstorms still around, all thanks to that deep tropical moisture from Sally. Anytime you want the radar, it's at fox4now.com.